Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem, that is a times b is equal to 24 and a plus b is equal to 2. We have to find the value of a and b. Here it is our equation number 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now we have to find the value of ab. For this purpose, now we are going to just express this equation 2 for b. So we have equation 2 is a plus b is equal to 2. So if we just shifted this a to our right hand side, so we will get 2 minus a. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now putting this value of b in our equation 1, so equation 1 will be, here equation 1 is a times b, so b is equal to 2 minus a, that is equal to 24. Now 2 times a is 2, a minus a squared is equal to 24. Here this minus a squared plus 2a, and shifting this one we will get minus 24 is equal to 0. Now if we multiply minus 1 on both hand side, then we have a squared minus 2 times a and plus 24 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So here the this coefficient of a squared is equal to 1. So let's say a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, the coefficient of a, and c is equal to constant, which is 24. Now using quadratic formula, as we have a is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Putting values of a, b and c, here a is equal to minus b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b squared means minus 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 24 all over 2 times a is 1. Now a is equal to minus time minus is plus, plus minus, here minus 2 squared which is equal to 4, and here we have 4 times 24 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now a is equal to 2 plus minus square root of, if we just take 4 is common, we have 1 minus 24 all over 2. Here we have 2 plus minus square root of 4 times 1 minus 24 is minus 23. So here it is minus 23 all over 2. So a is equal to 2 plus minus, here if we just write this 4 and minus 23 separately under square root, so we have square root of 4 times square root of 23 and times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Then a is equal to, here a is equal to, that is 2 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 23 minus 1 square root is equal to iota I all over 2. Now if we just take 2 is common, so we have 1 plus minus square root of 23i all over 2, cancelling 2 with 2, a is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 23i. So here we have two values of a. So a1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 23i and a2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 23i. So it is our value of a and it is our value of b. Now we have to find the value of these are two values of a, sorry, it is the value of a2. Now we have to find the values of b1 and b2. For this purpose we have to just recall our equation 3. So our equation 3 is here b is equal to 2 minus a. So recall equation 3 here. Then we have that is b is equal to 2 minus a. Now here if we just put the value of a1, then it will be b1. So b1 is equal to 2 minus value of a1 is 1 plus square root of 23 I. Here multiplying this negative sign into parentheses, we have b1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus square root of 23i, and here we have b1 is equal to 1 minus square root of 23i. So it is our value of b1 for value of a1. Now we have to put this a2 in same equation number 3. So we have that here b is equal to 2 minus a, it is our equation number 3. So putting a2, it will be b2. So b2 is equal to 2 minus b2 is 1 minus square root of 23i. So b2 will be 2 minus, multiplying this negative sign into parentheses, we have 2 minus 1 plus square root of 23i. So b2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 23i. So it is value of b2. Now we are going to just write here values of a and b. So here our answer is that we have values of a and b is equal to, so a1 is 1 plus square root of 23i and b1 is 1 minus square root of 23i. Similarly, we have a2 is 1 minus square root of 23i and b2 is, we have 1 plus square root of 23i. So these are two pairs of values for a and b. Now we are going to just verify our result. So let's verify. As our problem is, first equation is ab is equal to 24 and our second equation is a plus b is equal to 2. Now putting any pair of values of a and b, so we are going to use this pair. Here we have a times b, so a is 1 plus square root of 23i times b is 1 minus square root of 23i, that is equal to 24. Now here we know that a plus b and a minus b, it will be equal to a squared, means 1 squared minus square root of 23 whole squared times I squared. So a squared minus b squared, we have used the algebraic formula here. So 1 squared is equal to 1 minus cancelling square with square root, we have 23. I squared is equal to minus 1, that is equal to 24. So here we have 1 minus minus plus 23. So finally 1 plus 23 is equal to 24, then 24 is equal to 24. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, we are going to just verify our equation number 2 here. So here the value of a is 1 plus square root of 23i and value of b is 1 minus square root of 23i, that is equal to 2. Now cancelling plus and minus square root of 23i, we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2, hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove that our values of a and b are valid for this problem. So we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. Here we have our entire solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.